Amex airline index, my friends, and what I would like to show here on the daily chart is that ever since we've been coming off that high oil prices, and we have had a huge drop today, and the thing that I would like to say is that why various different sectors outperform because they got everyone thinking that airlines are going to be great. Well, what took them down when we were shorting all the airline stocks up there, we were burning at all-time highs up here in oil. And we've come down in the WTI, the Brent crude, which we have, and we've come down in other ones. We have had what we call a bottoms that were put in at our support level. And today's rally has been extremely good for the airlines right there on this daily bar. And basically, we're going to come back up to this neckline or where this failure was right here, and that's going to be the resistance. The airline stocks, which are these names right here, it's the XAL.X, okay? And these are the names that are in there, and they're all catching great bids based on the fact that the airlines will be able to survive and that the consumer is going to go out and buy airline tickets. Crude oil down 391. Brent down 635 to 107. They pulled the plug out of that. This U.S. government here, along with the IEA and a whole bunch of other stuff that's been going on that I'm not going to go into right now, has supported some great areas where money was working. So we were buying long the airlines, and we were shorting what? Energy, commodities, things like that that weren't going to last. The Dow at one point was down over 200 handles, but this is the outperforming sector today on the airlines with the daily. This white line right here is the 50-day simple daily moving averages, okay? When we broke below here, we came down to these lows where last rallies in this index was taking place. And taking the leadership names and knowing which ones to buy out of here benefit from that low oil trade. I don't know that the consumer is just going to run out there and want to buy airline tickets all the way because we have one down day. Jet fuel will have to come down considerably more. We are going to have to get unleaded gasoline down to $3 per gallon. Premium is going to have to come down to right around $3.20, if not lower, for this U.S. consumer. And if they're going to avoid a recession, they better keep doing what they're doing as bringing these things down where people are going to spend money. Okay? People didn't want to spend money on airline tickets up there. And leisure travel is leisure travel. The thing about it is, this is part of that trade, and this is where you got to know to find the strong sectors on an intraday level. Airlines,